Just relax your body. Today we will not close our eyes. Sit down wherever you're sitting. Just in front of you, fix a point and continue to stare or look at that point without blinking your eyes. अपने सामने एक कोई point shift करो. Just keep a point and start looking at that point without blinking your eyes. Bring your complete focus to that one point in front of you. Your eyes would want to blink, resist, continue focusing some more time. Don't blink your eyes. Keep looking onto that one point. Continue looking at that one point. It might happen that tears would come. Your eyes might get wet. You might get discomfort, but continue looking at that point without blinking your eyes. And now you can just close your eyes 30%. Don't close your eyes completely. Close your eyes 30%. Now 50%. And slowly and gradually you can now close your eyes. आंखें पूरी तरीके से अब बंद कर लेंगे. And feel this relaxation that your eyes was looking for. Just be with yourself. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your body still. Again, keep relaxing in your body. And now come out of your body. Visualize that you're coming out of your body. आपका शरीर वही है, आपकी सोल आपके शरीर से निकल के बाहर आ रही है. And now you're outside of your body. And now look at yourself. Just observe that you're looking at your body. You're looking at yourself sitting with eyes closed. Look at your face. Look at your eyes. How beautiful you are looking. You're such a beautiful soul from the universe. अच्छा लग रहा है अपने आप को देखकर ऐसे. When was the last time you looked at yourself with love, with this compassion? कभी आपने अपने आप को इतने प्यार से नहीं देखा होगा. Just fill your eyes with love for yourself, the way you're looking at yourself. With so much profound love. And now you're out of your body. And now you are chanting for yourself, for the person sitting just in front of you. Giving all the love, gratitude, compassion, peace. You're getting in touch with yourself. And celebrating everything about you. And now keep your right hand on your heart and feel this love for the person sitting in front of you. And repeat after me. Looking at yourself, addressing this prayer to yourself today for the person sitting there. I'm sorry for blaming you so much. You can take your name, for blaming so much. I am sorry for criticizing every action of yours. I am sorry for making you responsible for everything which was not in your control. I'm sorry, my dear, for criticizing you the most in life. Please forgive me. You can take your name. For not loving you enough. Please forgive me for not accepting you the way you are. Please forgive me that I stopped caring for you. Please forgive me for not connecting to the soul in you. Thank you. I'm so glad to see you in front of me. I love everything about you, my dear soul. Everything about you. You're again looking at yourself from outside and feel this expansion within you. You're giving all the love to yourself. I'm sorry for creating this anxiety within me, within you. I'm sorry for not able to forgive you for your actions. I'm sorry for creating so many insecurities and fears within you. Please forgive me for constantly doubting you. Please forgive me, my dear. Take your name. For not giving you enough time. Please forgive me that I felt that I am unwanted. Please forgive me that I questioned my existence in the world, for feeling that I'm good for nothing. Thank you for the beautiful energies that you're spreading around, for the beautiful person that you're becoming. I choose to love and accept you, my dear. Take your name. Just the way you are. I'm sorry that I kept allowing people to hurt me again and again. I'm sorry for not able to let go of my fears, insecurities, past traumas. I'm sorry for not able to forgive people in my life. I'm sorry for not able to forgive you, my dear soul. I'm tired of judging you so much. Please forgive me for thinking that you are less and everybody is superior. Please forgive me for not understanding your needs and judging you for your emotional needs, physical needs, financial needs. Please forgive me for labeling you as someone greedy, lazy, inauthentic, dishonest. Thank you for showing me this beautiful version of who you are. I choose to love and accept you wholeheartedly. I am sorry for making you feel lonely even when I was around. I am sorry that I kept looking for validation from others. I am sorry that I allowed people, money, my health to control my emotions. I'm sorry for creating guilt within me for my actions and non actions. Please forgive me that I deprived of love, that I deprived you of love and affection. Please forgive me that I stopped taking care of you. I stopped looking good in my own eyes. Please forgive me for creating this resentment, anger, irritation towards others and towards myself. Thank you for the beautiful version that you are becoming. I promise to love and accept you even when nobody does. You are not alone. You will never be alone. I'm sorry for making you dependent on others' love and attention. I am sorry for not able to let go of the past memories and emotions. I am sorry for doubting you again and again and your ability to do things. I am sorry for judging you that you can never attract a good relationship in your life. Today I choose to let go and dissolve all that I'm creating consciously, unconsciously, which is attracting this situation in my life. I release it now. Please forgive me for feeling insecure within myself. Please forgive me that I stopped enjoying your company. हम खुद के साथ ही समय बिताना भूल गए हैं. Please forgive me for not accepting your problems. Thank you. Thank you that you belong to me. No matter who loves you, who is there for you, who judges you, I promise to love and accept you just the way you are. And you can take your name, my dear. Make a beautiful smile. I'm sorry. Sorry for creating guilt again and again and not accepting the way you are. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love and accept you just the way you are, my dear soul. Take a deep breath in and feel this love within you. Feel this expansion in your heart. Continue being with yourself. It's like a date with yourself today. And once again, repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for creating this version of Suchitra. I'm sorry for not accepting you. Please forgive me for not believing in you. Please forgive me for judging you so much. I choose to love and accept you just the way you are. And just repeat after me. Whatever is stuck in my body, wherever it is stuck, consciously or unconsciously, physically or emotionally, positively or negatively, because of which I'm creating this guilt, self-hatred, doubt. I choose to release this emotion now. Take a long deep breath and release whatever is stuck in my body, wherever it is stuck, consciously or unconsciously, physically or emotionally, positively or negatively. I am willing to release this emotion right now. Take a deep breath and release. Whatever is stuck in my body, wherever it is stuck, consciously or unconsciously, physically or emotionally, positively or negatively, I am willing to release this emotion right now. I'm 100% sure I'm releasing it out of my system. Take a long, deep, fulfilling breath in and breathe out with your mouth. And continue feeling this lightness and embrace yourself in love for yourself. You're still outside of your body, looking at yourself. Give complete gratitude. Such a beautiful soul. You stop loving yourself. Keep giving all the love. Give a beautiful hug. And just say, I'm there for you. Even if people validate you or not. I love you. Even when you are not perfect. You don't have to be perfect. I love you because you are nothing but divine. And for another 1 or 2 minutes, see the divinity in you. How divinity is flowing through you. Allow it to flow through you. Let the higher energies reside in you, in your heart, in your mind. And continue being in this beautiful feeling. Now start going back to your body as if you're coming back to home, a safe place, full of love, full of acceptance. Keep going back to your body. Be one with your body now. Feel this oneness with the divine. And with a beautiful smile on your face and relaxation, taking your own time, whenever you feel complete, getting aware of the surrounding, getting aware of your body. You may open your eyes. आंखें खोल सकते हैं.